Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
To understand absolute value equations, let's look at a simple example first. Just the absolute value of x is equal to 5. What are the possible solutions? Well, certainly 5 works. The absolute value of 5 is 5. But also negative 5 works. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. In a more complicated example, we'll do a similar thing. The absolute value of 2x plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 12. First thing, we want to make sure we isolate the absolute value expression. So in this case, we'll add 1 to both sides, leaving us with the absolute value of 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. Now we're going to split this equation into two, just like we did above, where we take the expression that's in the absolute values and we set it equal to both positive 13 and negative 13. Then we solve both pretty normally. Subtract 7 from both sides, divide both equations by 2, and we'll end up on the left side with x is equal to 3, and on the right side with x is equal to negative 10. So in essence, our last step really was to solve both equations that were created by the absolute value equation.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.